Every great city grows in a direction. For Ahmedabad, that direction has always been the west. From the 132-foot ring road to the 200-foot 76-kilometer SP ring road, and now the proposed 300 feet 125-kilometer ring road. Every milestone has unlocked new opportunities and accelerated the city's expansion. Today, Western Ahmedabad is writing its next growth story from Shilaj to Wapa towards Godhavi and Manipur, where the proposed 300 feet ring road and future Olympic developments are shaping tomorrow. Further ahead, Vaina and Mulsana, with the upcoming new Rajpath Club and Karnavati Club, setting a new benchmark for lifestyle and recreation. Together, these developments are transforming the entire Western Corridor into Ahmedabad's next premium address. At the heart of this transformation lies Greater Thol, with Nadalia at its center, a destination where nature meets luxury, home to landmark community living, a region witnessing remarkable land appreciation, not just because of what it is today, but because of what it is becoming. Open landscapes, the serenity of Thol Lake, cleaner air, a lifestyle that feels like a vacation every single weekend. And right here lies Nadalia, strategically positioned at the center of Ahmedabad's fastest growing western corridor, surrounded by progress, powered by exceptional land appreciation potential, built for tomorrow. Welcome to the next chapter of Western Ahmedabad. Welcome to Greater Thol. Welcome to the Skyline of Silence. Welcome to Nadalia.